Once you have bulletins created for your zone, you can go to the Bulletins area to manage the bulletins that already exist in the system. In this screen, there are many options available to you. You can use the Filter buttons to select bulletins that are actively playing on your display. Unapproved, which are those that have been created by a user that needs an administrator to approve them prior to making them active. Upcoming, which are bulletins that have been scheduled to start at some point in the future. And expired, which is where bulletins go that have passed their scheduled end date. Carousel keeps all of your bulletins in the event that you want to go back and make them active again in the future. This is also where your bulletins that you saved for later will be. The Search tab allows you to search through all bulletins to locate those that you need. It will search by title of the bulletin, tags that were listed in the bulletin, and the user who created the bulletin. The other buttons across the top allow you to make a new bulletin, which you see takes us to the new bulletin screen. Also, there are buttons to select and deselect all bulletins, as well as some actions that will be discussed in later trainings. Arranging your bulletins is easy, as all you need to do is click and drag them between two other bulletins. Releasing your click will drop it between those bulletins, and you now have reordered the way they will appear on the display. Clicking and dragging them on top of one another creates a group, which is indicated by the small gray text under the title. This is helpful if you'd like certain bulletins to always run in a certain order and would like to save space on your screen. Taking bulletins out of a group can be done by clicking on Open, grabbing the bulletins, and dragging it outside of the group. Buttons along the bottom of each bulletin allow you to preview how the bulletin looks, edit the bulletin in the bulletin editor, copy the bulletin to another zone, or delete the bulletin. Deleting anything in Carousel is a permanent action. There is no trash bin that you can recover it from, so you need to be sure you no longer need it. You will notice that when you click the delete button, it brings up a confirmation screen, so you can still back out if you want to keep the content. Now you can locate, view, arrange, and edit your bulletins in your zone.